If you want to get stronger and you want to continue training without injuring yourself, especially if you're using your fingers and your forearms a lot, what you need to do is rice bucket training. And today we're going to see how to do rice bucket training without using rice. So let's go. Now, if you have forearms and fingers, which you probably do, you're probably gripping a lot. And I'm doing jiu-jitsu and I still try to get that one-arm pull-up. You're really putting a lot of stress on that forearm muscle, which is the flexor. In order to take some load off that muscle, we also need to train the extensor muscles, which is basically the muscle which opens up our hands. Now, the muscles of the forearms are a little bit more complicated than I can really explain, but basically I know that I need to train my extensors in order for my forearms to feel good. I hate tendon pain, and this is one way to avoid that. Now, I mean this, and with this I mean my rice bucket type like training device, which doesn't really contain rice. Now this contains polypropylene pellets. I got them from my job because basically we do extrusion, and this is the raw material that most factories use if they are making something out of plastic. You can get that online, very cheap, no worries about that. You get a bucket and you start working. So the rice, or the pellets in my case, will provide resistance if I open my arm, and this will be awesome in order to create strength in that forearm. So I put my arm here, I can even turn my wrists like I'm doing here. I can open it up, boom. I can really do some work, and the more deliberate you are about it, so meaning if you really move slowly, the resistance will increase. If you go fast about it, the pellets will move also very fast. But if you go slow, you really feel the resistance working and you really feel those muscles working. So this is great for rehabilitation. So if you're already injured, to get better, but this is also great if you want to prevent injury, to get those muscles already fired up in order to be more balanced around your forearms. So yeah, that is really my 2 cents on rice bucket training. I don't like the rice part because it's a food item that you bring to your gym, are probably going to have more moisture than your kitchen cabinet. So that's why I really like the fact that we can use plastic to do our training and to keep this bucket around here to really get our forearms stronger. If you want to do rice bucket type training, I really recommend getting some plastic pellets, and that will help you tremendously, avoiding all kinds of molds and getting all kinds of gains. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!